morning. You can hear my voice is actually going. It's early in the morning. It is moving day and it's currently 7:15 in the morning. We've been up since 6.
Yeah.
I think the alarm was set on. I'm really nervous. Lawrence's okay, but I'm really nervous. I've been nervous all week, to be honest. But it's moving day.
Yeah.
Plan is, action plan. We are on the way to McDonald's to get breakfast.
Good, I thought you were going to miss that one out. Yeah.
No, I'll include it. Nice, healthy, nutritious breakfast because we need that energy. And then we'll go back to the house. Well, actually, we're going to pick up a van. Lawrence is going to drive the van, which is exciting. And then we're going back to the house and start loading the van with Lawrence's dad. And
25 anti-clockwise between.
Right.
My car's already got loads of stuff in. So then we drive up to the new house and start unloading stuff. I will do a house tour when it's basically empty. It will have boxes in there, but we will do a house tour. So this includes our new house tour, which is really exciting because we'll finally get the keys and blah blah blah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going to be really exciting. So first things first, breakfast.
Yeah.
Then a really busy couple of days. Guys, we've packed it all, well, most of it.
Here we go. Let's open all the doors.
Ta-da! We are officially in. Wow. I'm at the new house now. I'm going to give you a tour while it's kind of empty. There are boxes everywhere, so it's not a fully empty house tour, but it is an empty house tour because nothing is anywhere. Let's do an empty house tour. So we will start at the front door, which is kind of where I am now. Okay guys, this is our house. It is a gorgeous detached barn conversion in a lovely village in Bedfordshire. I'm just so obsessed with this house. I think it's so cozy and country looking. Coming up to our front door, which is kind of on the side of the house. I've already put lavender out the front, as you can see, because a girl is obsessed. You come into our front door to this little hallway, and then immediately to our left is a downstairs bathroom. That might sound very odd to you guys, but a downstairs bathroom we have. Basically, we have 2 bathrooms. I'll show you the one upstairs in a minute. But this is a bathroom. As you can see, it's like very neutral and white. And we are really happy with this, to be honest, because obviously coming from my older house, we only had 1 toilet. So I really like this. I really like the shape of the bath as well. And in the bath, it has a shower head, which is always handy in case you want to shower. So yeah, I really like it. Obviously there's going to be a couple of bits we chop and change in this room, but for now it will do. It's nice and neutral. And there's also this window here, but it's frosted, so you can't see anything. And we're not actually keeping the blinds either. They were just in the house. So eventually, we're not going to rush everything all at once, but eventually they will be gone. Coming out of the bathroom and going up the hallway, as you can see, there's stairs there, but we'll go there in a bit. To your right is our kitchen. This is quite a big kitchen, to be honest, so we're really lucky in that respect. Really nice, bright, again, very neutral. Everything's very neutral. It's not, you know, exactly to my taste, but I'm happy with it so far. For the beginning, it's going to do us well. Obviously you have kitchen cupboards here, which are all neutral, and an oven, luckily, and some more cupboards. We have a dishwasher there, which will be really handy. Washing machine already there, which will also be really handy. And in this space here, we've got a fridge freezer, hopefully arriving today. So the fridge freezer will go there, which is nice and big space. I don't think the camera really does it justice, to be honest. We also have our new kettle and toaster, which I ordered this week. I thought I would treat us to something new because I haven't had a new kettle and toaster for a very long time. The one I had before was something kind of affordable that I moved in with. So yeah, I thought it was about time I got something I really liked, and I really like these. These are from the Smeg range. They're white. I will link them down below. I bought them from John Lewis. Obviously you can buy them in various other places, but John Lewis is really good because they do price match and they come with 2-year free guarantee, or it might be 5-year actually. A matching kettle with the toaster, and yeah, I really like them. I'm not sure that's where they will stay, but it's definitely okay for now. I have been boiling this kettle a few times because I need that to not taste like plastic, because at the moment it does. Coming out of the kitchen, we have another little hallway. We have an under stairs storage area, which I think could look really, really nice. So obviously we'll put just some jackets here and coats and make it nice and neat. At the moment I've just shoved some boxes under there just to get them out of the way. Oh, can you see my Christmas decorations? How exciting. Can't wait to decorate the house in Christmas decorations. I really like that. I think it's really nice and it's good to have storage in a house. And then straight on through the hallway, we have the living room or the lounge. So this is really nice, big and wide and open. This is the door you come in from. The sofa obviously needs putting together, but again, it's nice white walls, so very neutral. We currently have furniture I bought from my old house. You might be able to remember that if you've watched my videos previously. We're probably going to change that up in the kind of few months, but at the moment it will do. We do have a TV unit to come here as well. The floor is quite nice. It's wooden floor, which is quite nice. Not exactly the colour I would go for, but I don't mind it. But yeah, it's a really nice living room, lots of space. I think we're going to get a really nice rug to go on the floor. I think my mum actually has an old one that she's lending us until we've decided on the rug. You definitely can't rush these things in terms of furniture buying and kind of what you're getting, because you don't know a house and what will suit that house and everything you want. You can't just buy it straight away. You need to buy it bit by bit. So at the moment we're going to just slowly buy some stuff. We have bought some new stuff which I will show you in another video, probably just stick to like the house tour in today's video. Okay, so on the living room you have like double doors. I really like these nice big double doors, so it's all very open and bright. And then you come to a courtyard. So we have a courtyard first. That basket needs to come into the living room. It's just quite a nice courtyard. I like how this hangs over. It makes it nice and green. And coming around here, there's a gate there that will be closed normally. But yeah, and then you come through this secret garden door into our garden. So it's like a double garden really. I think it's really nice. We need to sort the grass out. Okay, so coming back in through the living room, we come through here, we will go upstairs now. So the stairs are kind of winding round. They're actually really wide stairs, which is something I like. This is all carpeted, and obviously the carpet was here before. They're like kind of brown in tone. Not my fave, but it's actually okay. It will do. It kind of looks kind of cozy at the moment. Coming into the immediate door on your right, we have mine and Lawrence's bedroom. There's kind of our bed frame. That's where our bed will be. This room is really nice. Again, it's like very big, very square shaped, which is always good for a house. Square shaped rooms are my favorite just because they're so easy to put furniture in. So love these cupboards. I think they're really nice. They're inbuilt, which is fabulous. So I will probably be taking all up till here, and Lawrence can have that little door there. I'm only kidding, obviously, but they're huge wardrobes. I will show you in another video when I'm showing you kind of putting stuff away, but they are really nice. I kind of like the colour as well, actually. Out of our window you can see the gardens, which is really nice. So it's all really nice and bright. There's our little courtyard and there is our garden. Really like that. Okay, coming out of our bedroom, to the right we have another bathroom. which is handy. So there won't be any queuing in the morning between myself and Lawrence. But we have this nice window here. What are they called? Velux window, that's it. That's really nice, kind of makes the whole room really bright. I really like that feature. A nice sink area and a mirror. We have some storage under there. Whether we'll repaint that because it looks like it needs a bit of a paint. And then we have a whole shower, which is perfect, just a separate shower unit. I'm more of a bath person, don't really have showers, but it's good to have. So coming out of the bathroom, coming along here, it's a really nice wide hallway, by the way, which is what I really like. Again, to your right, we have a small bedroom, or maybe an office room, which I think is a really sweet little room. It's got a nice window out here, so you can see outside. And I just think that window's really nice. I like little windows. And the room itself is perfect size, really, just for a nice little day bed there. And then maybe I'll do some filming in here. It's quite a nice size to do filming in. Then coming out of this room, and again to your right, we have another large bedroom or office room or filming room. So we have to work out properly what we're doing with this space, but it is a huge room. I don't know if the camera does this justice. The room is actually very big. So we will be able to fill this space. We're not going to have a cluttered home anymore. It's definitely going to be used like quite well. I was thinking of having my desk over in this corner or maybe in this corner. Oh, that's the bedroom door. And then kind of making this into a workspace, which would be really nice. I just like the shape, again, very neutral. And then we also have a loft up there. Neither of us have ventured up there yet. I don't know what's going to be up there. It's definitely going to be a work in progress. And I'm so excited to kind of explore interiors that I love. As you may or may not know, I'm really into interiors, something I've always kind of been passionate about. So I finally have a house that I can really give attention to in terms of interiors and interiors I like. I think mine and Lawrence's motto is not to just buy everything that we kind of like, that will go in a corner or do this. We're going to take everything kind of slow and buy furniture that we really like, that we might keep for a few years. There's going to be so many house updates, you're not even ready. There's going to be autumn house updates, Christmas house updates, IKEA trips, IKEA hauls. Just really grateful. I'm not going to end the video here because I just kind of want to have a chat with Lawrence, so keep watching. Of course, lighting a Christmas candle as a priority. Okay, little update. Whew, we're out of breath. Lawrence's dad has now gone. We've put the bed together because obviously our main priority is getting the bedroom sorted, because when we bring the cats over, not tomorrow but the next day, and we spend our first night here, obviously, yeah, we need the bedroom sorted, but the cats will be in the bedroom. So Lawrence has just put together the bed. Fabulous. So this is a king size bed. Where did we get this from again? Cannot remember. And then we have to have our mattress. We got a mattress in a box. And it's one of these hybrid mattresses that is like half memory foam, half springies.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So this mattress from the company Otti. We saw really good reviews, like a lot of bloggers have wrote about it, like really fair reviews. And for us, it seems to be the best mattress. But we have 100 nights to try it out, and if we don't like it, whatever. But I think we will. I think we will. So now we need to take it out of the box, put it on the bed frame, and then it expands over the space of a few hours. So obviously we're not staying here for the next 2 nights, but it has 2 days to expand properly, and I can't wait. Guys, I'm just coming to edit the video and I realised after the mattress section we just kind of left it there. Moving house is like really crazy, and I hope I did a good job. I really do. You guys have seen enough of the house, but there's going to be so many kind of house updates and house tours in another video I will be doing coming up hopefully next week or in a couple of days. a house tour of my old house, because we still have the keys to that. We have the keys to that for the next 2 weeks. But when it's like kind of empty, I'm going to do an empty house tour of my old house just for comparison, and if you guys hadn't seen it properly. I'm going to end this video here. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up because it really helps my channel out and it lets me know that you're enjoying these videos. Don't forget I upload 3 times every single week. As I'm moving at the moment and it's all a bit up in the air and lack of internet and things, there might be like the odd day where it's either a bit late or I haven't uploaded that day, but generally it's always going to be 3 times a week. My food videos are coming back very, very soon. I also just want to quickly say thank you to all of you guys for your amazing support throughout this whole move. The messages, the comments, just everything just so positive, and it's made it really fun for us. And all your tips and stuff on how to move my cats like safely and keep them happy while we move them. I also want to say a massive thank you to Lawrence's dad, who's an absolute legend. We wouldn't have been able to move so successfully without him. He just knew what to do and told us what to do, and we did it, and it made it such a smooth transition. So yeah, thank you to all of you guys, and I love you very much, and I'll see you again in the next vlog. The next vlog involves a lot of autumnal house updates. I'm so excited about it.